Are you experiencing TikTok crashes on your iPhone after updating to iOS 16? You're not alone. Many users have reported that TikTok keeps freezing, closing unexpectedly, or crashing on launch. In this video, we'll explain why this is happening and what you can do to fix it. One of the main reasons TikTok crashes on iOS 16 is app and system compatibility. New iOS updates can introduce bugs or changes that apps like TikTok may not yet fully support. Another common culprit is corrupted cache or data. TikTok stores cache to make videos load faster, but over time, this cache can become corrupted and cause the app to crash. Low storage space, running multiple apps simultaneously, unstable internet connections, and even server-side issues can also trigger crashes. So how can you fix it? First, try force quitting TikTok and reopening it, and make sure you have the latest version of the app installed. Next, clear TikTok's cache by going to your profile, selecting Settings and Privacy, then free up space right pointing arrow clear cache. Freeing up storage, restarting your iPhone, and checking your internet connection can also help. If the crashes continue, reinstalling TikTok or updating iOS to the latest version may resolve the issue. For persistent problems, you can also reset all iPhone settings or use a system repair tool to fix iOS bugs. Sometimes, TikTok may be crashing due to server-side problems, which means the issue isn't on your device. Checking websites like Down Detector can help you see if others are experiencing the same issue. In conclusion, TikTok crashes on iOS 16 are usually caused by app compatibility, cache issues, device storage, or network problems, but most can be fixed with simple steps like updating, clearing cache, freeing storage, and checking your connection. Following these steps should help you get back to enjoying your favorite videos without interruptions. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on TikTok and iOS. Have you experienced TikTok crashing on iOS 16? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.